boys, time to dig up some treasure.
Ooh, pirate treasure?
Even better, horse poop.
Ooh!
Help yourself, folks. The horses did all the work.
That one just went potty.
Horses eat grass and hay, so their poop makes rich compost. It's great for our tomatoes.
Smells like spaghetti night.
Don't grab the fresh stuff, it needs to age, like stinky cheese for the garden.
We're planting cheesy poop? We're really feeding poop to the blueberries?
Only the best poop, baby.
That's the circle of life. Around here, stinky means strong.
I live here now. No more poop.
Too bad. You're still helping unload.